When we started working on Comet a few years ago, we actually ran a survey across, I think, 300 data scientists and asked them, how are you doing this today? And like everything, you can always fall back to tools like spreadsheets and emails and slides. And that works. But the amount of effort that's needed to maintain that and do that well is even more than the effort needed to build a good model, because of all these moving pieces, the hyperparameters, the metrics, you find yourself time after time to write everything up, track it, do a lot of bookkeeping, and eventually either you stop doing that because it takes so much of your time, and then you find yourself coming back to work the day after and not sure what result you got yesterday. It definitely happened to me. Or you just spend so much time doing bookkeeping. So yes, it's possible to do this with spreadsheets, but it's kind of like running a sales team without Salesforce, or a software team without GitHub. Can you do it? Of course you can. People have done that way before these companies existed. Is it efficient? Is it a good use of your time? Likely not. So we meet a lot of teams that are in that phase, and then they come to us, and when we talk about them, we show them how, by introducing Comet, we can actually track all that information automatically and give so much value on top of that. That seems to really resonate with our customer base. A lot of data scientists and researchers started their work in academia. And in academia, when you're a PhD student, you're typically alone working on your own thesis. And you get used to doing everything alone, and you have time. And really the hard part is finding state of the art, or building something, or finding something that no one else did. And you get used to the status quo of manually documenting everything because you have to write it up in your paper later. And that, to an extent, transitioned to the industry, where that status quo of manually doing everything, this lone wolf mod from academia. But by introducing Comet and working in a team, you can actually be significantly more efficient.